Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a different types of link to your website on Hostinger website builder. First, I will share with you how to add a text link to an internal page, how to create a link to an external page. You can even create or link to a specific section on your website. I will also show you how to add a link using a button, and I will end with this how to add or how to create a link on your website using a photo or an image. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to add your link on, click on this edit website button. And this is my website inside the Hostinger website builder. And first thing I will do, I will create a blank section to have space to show you. First, let's start with how to add a text link. So click on elements, then grab this text element and drop it like that. Let's turn this to simple text. Now, this is my text link. Now, to create a text link, first select the text part that you want to turn into a link like that with your mouse, and then click on this link icon. A window pops up. Here you can select between linking to a page inside your website, to an external web address, or first, yes, instead of this, let's start with a text link to an internal page. Now let's select this part of text, click on link. I will link to an inside in our internal page. I will select my internal page from here. Here from this list you will see all available pages on your inside your website. After that, you can select between opening this link in a new tab. I will go with yes and hit save. Now let's update my website. Let's view my website, and this is my link. If I click on it, as you see, this is the page or the internal page I selected, and as you see, it was opened in a new tab. Now let's see how to create a text link to an external page or to an external link. I will add a new text. This is my text link to an external page. Let's turn this to paragraph 1. Place it here. Select the part. Click on link. And now instead of linking to a page, I will select web address. And here I will fill in my external address. Let's link to Google, for example. Here you can same thing. You can select between opening this link in a new tab, and also if you want to make this link no follow or do follow. No follow or do follow. This is related to your SEO philosophy. If you want to let your website juice go to a link or to another page, you can go with disable this no follow. If you want to add, or if you go with no follow on, you reserve your SEO or your website SEO juice just for your website. Now click on save. Instead of updating my website, which takes a lot of time, I will go with preview. It's the same thing. Now if I click on this link, a new tab opens up, and this is the link I linked to. Now let's see back to editor. Now let's see how to add a link, but instead of text, I will create a link using a button. So grab this button element like that. Let's adjust this button size. Now select the button first, then click on edit button. A new page opens up. Here you can edit the button. edit or your button text here. Same thing, you can select between linking to a page, web address, a section, even email address, phone number, and or file download. For this button, I will go with a specific section of my website, but before this, I should first name a section that I want to link to in order to see it here. So instead of linking to a section, I will go with the web address. I will link, for example, to Google, to same thing, Google. Click on preview. And if I click on this button, this is the page I link it to, which is Google. Now let's see how to link to a specific section on your website. First, I will go to another page on my website. Then select, yes, let's link to this our process section, for example. So first, I need to give this section a name or an anchor. So select this section like that. Click on edit section, jump to anchor, and here let's name this section, for example, process or our process. And now close this. Let's go back to the home page. Where is my home page? How can I jump back? Or let's click on it from here. Let's click on the home page. Go back here, click on element. Let's add, this is my text link to a section. Let's turn this to paragraph. Now let's select the text, click on link. Now instead of page or web address, select section, and you can start seeing the named sections of your website. As you see, this is the name I gave my section, our process, and it is inside my sustainability page. Same thing, you can open it in a new tab. Let's keep it in the same tab. Click on, or let's open it in a new tab. Click on save. Now let's update my website to make sure that my section naming is saved online. View site. Now let's click on this text link to a section. And as you see, I was redirected to the sustainability page and automatically scrolled to the our process tab. Let's give it another try. As you see, without touching my or without scrolling down, my link automatically scrolled me to the exact linked section. Now let's see how to link this time, or let's see how to create a link using an image. Click on add element, select the image, then select the photo like that, and click on edit image, then go to, I don't think this is possible. Yes, jump to the action tab and on click select open link. Then fill in fill in the link you want to link to. It can be a page, web address, section, email address, phone number, file download. I will go with a web address. Then link to, for example, instead of Google this time, I will link to, for example, myspace.com. Then close this window, update, or just preview this change. Now I will click on this image. As you see, I was redirected to the MySpace website. Now let's see if I can text button image. I think that's all for this tutorial. And this is how to link, or this is how to add a link to your website on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.